right.
Here, let me hook you. Here.
Let's look for some Easter eggs.
Yeah, no.
All right, here's your basket. Okay. You can put your bubbles and your ball in there if you want. Okay. Let's go find some Easter eggs. Do you see one?
Yeah.
Right here? There you go.
Mom.
Okay. I'll put your ball in the basket. Good job.
Good job, Tom.
Let's see if we can find some more.
This one. This one.
Put your bubbles in your basket.
Mommy.
You want me to hold it? Okay.
This one. This.
Show me the egg. Hold it up to the camera.
This.
That's a baseball egg. That's so cool.
One in the middle.
This one.
Tom, I think you missed one. Behind the bushes.
See? It's pink. Over here. You see it? Over here.
See
I
it?
get it.
Was there a bunny here?
Got it. Yay!
Yay! Whoops. Pick up your other one.
This purple.
Yeah, it's a football egg.
This.
All right, come on.
Five more.
Yeah, let's go around the side of the house. See what we can find.
This one.
This one. Tom, I think you missed one.
There's one over here. Right there. In the statue?
Right there. Right there, bud.
Oh, there it is. Banana.
He was right on it. You didn't see it.
Moose, did you miss one back here?
Oh, the basketball. Right there,
The
yeah.
Easter Bunny got you a basketball-shaped egg. That's cool.
This one.
Woo! All right, keep going. You're doing so good.
They got it.
You just have to put through and touch it and fill
Hey, Tom.
Oh,
Uh-oh, you dropped a couple.
Good job, buddy.
Mom, can you count them?
Let's see, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
We got about 6 more. Oh. Hey, Tom, look by the garden hose. Look by the hose.
oh, this basketball. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, this melon.
Hey, what's over here?
This cheese.
Hey, Tommy.
It's basketball.
Soccer ball. There's another one.
That's everybody, I think.
Oh, good job. We'll take
You
one.
got them all, Moose.
I think you got them all. Let's go around front.
Happy Easter.